Hi friends, Debanjalee here. I am an SEO writer and SEO consultant by profession. I was pretty curious to learn the basics of web designing, designing my blog through Elementor, and that made me join Jackson's 6 days Elementor Workshop. To be very frank, friends, I learned more than I thought I would because I hardly knew anything about designing. Jackson made things look so easier. He demonstrated as much as possible practically. He helped us and motivated us to try out things and provided us customized feedbacks, helped us with our questions, with our doubts, solving them as much as possible, showing everything practically in the sessions. So, friends, if you're looking for a personalized learning experience, you want to learn Elementor, just go ahead and book your slot today. Jackson is the person. Just go ahead. It's so much worth it. So yeah, just try out. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.